got so motherfucking design on right now.
On here. Today I'm going to show you how fast I can solve the dots on a regular 3x3. I'm in Cubex right now. Let's go. Heck. I messed up my scram. Messed up my scram. Here and here. Dang it! I was gonna get a chance to stop the timer. Okay, so I have to keep solving it. At least one. So go. Dang. Good. A 4.67 seconds off. I know this is gonna trigger a lot, y'all, but 6-7. Now let's try checkerboard pattern on my 3x3. So it's a check. My average is a okay. The 5 point. Now that's an updated average of the 5.3 through 5.330. So now do one move. Set, go. Oh crap! I mean that's still under 2 seconds. So it makes sense. Now let's do left, back twice. I think I can do this fast. So go. Okay, that's another 2 seconds solid. That's an average of 3.857. So go. Oh my god! A 1.097. Let's do that one more time. Make sure I'm not actually joking. So, okay, that one I actually effed up. Okay, so let's discard that one. So that twice. Then okay. So, okay, I beat my own record by 0.03 seconds. So that's me solving my 3x3. Let's do my 2x2. Let's do left, B, back twice, left. Set, go. Oh. So I got the same time as my other one. You said, go here. Ah! I solved it before and then I couldn't. So let me try that again. So, you said, go. It does that again. It did it. You have to make sure your fingers, both hands are on there at the same time. Let's go one more time. Make sure I'm not actually joking. But let's check it. Left. Go. There it goes. A 2 point. That was okay. Now let's do the checkerboard. It's very easy to do. At least try to solve it. Okay, so what checkerboard pattern? Set, go. Oh crap! I need to get my crap together. Later. Flip this around. This. 13 seconds. Now let's do one move. See if I can go here. Okay, let's try that one more time. Oh. Okay, let me go one more time. You said go. I really solved it and then it didn't work. So let's try to say go. Oh, that's good time. Now let's do checkerboard one-handed. I think I'm pretty trash at checkerboard one-handed. So I'm gonna see if I even improved. I have not practiced this in a long time. So let's go. Let's go here. Oh, wait, actually yes. Um, oh, crap! 17 seconds. So that's pretty good. So let's do the checkerboard pattern on my 3x3, which has more layers to it. So, oh, crap! Ah! Let's go. Put this here. Crap! I have to scramble this cube back up once again. So, go. God. Let's do this there. Oh, my freaking. 19 seconds. Okay, so I love both of these cubes. So that's my video. Bye.